Hi, my name is Jim Colchin. I was invited to be a moderator today here in the heart of Silicon Valley, San Francisco, at the office of 500 Startups. Startup.Network invited us over to talk about crypto, VC, trends and projections. We've had a very interesting conversation.
Startup.Network is a professional network which unites participants of the venture and crypto industries. We have already had more than 100 startup battles in a variety of countries. Today, our first time in the USA, and this time we hold 4 startup battles one by one in Boston, New York, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. It is a business format event where entrepreneurs are competing for the attention of investors. Startup Battle today was held in 2 stages. The first stage was panel discussion with the true sharks of investment industry.
And after that, we had a very interesting battle of 7 startups.
Hot pitch competition between startups from different countries, the most of them on blockchain. But also we had several hardware startups. VCs, crypto investors, angels joined us as judges. The first place took startup Protect My Bike.
Yes? Yeah. Yeah, it is Protect My Bike. The second place for Belfast. Thank you.
Hey guys, so you guys talked a lot about VCs and their relationship to ICOs or to investing in cryptocurrency. What about the flip side of it? What about startups, specifically ones that are doing extremely well? How do you guys think their relationship to raising money through traditional VCs, giving away equity when they have all the options on the table? How do you see them embracing maybe an ICO where they could still get money to fund their business, but they don't have to give away as many rights as they would going the traditional route?
So it's actually interesting because I went to a symposium at Upfront Ventures in Santa Monica talking about this very issue of when we do term sheets now or we put the legal documentation together, do we actually include ICO? So a company that we may invest in does an ICO and it's a carve-out. And that could be their success, and meanwhile we've invested over here and we don't get to see that lift. The flip side of that is, if a company's focused on raising capital through an ICO, and that's not their core business, are they going to lose focus? So it's a balance, it depends on what it is. In terms of the terms, look, if you have leverage, whatever it may be, and you could demonstrate that, you could always do the best terms. You know, you could always make it company friendly as opposed to investor friendly. So I wouldn't say because of crypto you have the opportunity, you could negotiate stronger. You just have to say, look, this is my leverage. It's going to be very obvious. You're going to have a lot of people throwing money at you. And it comes down to smart money, not gin and tonic money, I like to call it. You want money that's actually going to help you manifest your business goals, month-over-month business, goals, whether it's going to be 3-month exit, or 3-year exit, or 5-year exit, whatever that is. You have to make sure that you could get there no matter what, and the money that you bring in will help you get there. So.
Yeah, I would just add to that VCs are going to be focused again. There's a lot of deal flow, there's a lot of opportunities, and they're going to go for the security token offerings or things where they feel they're going to get equity. And if you really have something that's viable, that's already been launched, and you really have technology, then you're in a much better position to take money from another source where you don't have to have that discussion. Why give away anything if you don't have to, right? So I think that you're going to see. Hopefully this year we'll get some clarity on investing, maybe some additional clarity, maybe not before the end of the year, but from the SEC, as they've taken a lot of time to get educated and been pretty good in this area. I think hopefully that fundraising will look a lot more like crowdfunding, And for people who are starting out earlier, hopefully the barrier won't be as high because it all of a sudden went very high. But hopefully, they'll get some clarification. It'll be a little bit easier. But
so basically for us, blockchain is not a hype, it's like technology. So we use it to store data to make it more safe for consumers, for like contributors, supporters, etc., and for the artists. So basically we store every transaction in blockchain.
The third place took startup Young. The second place took startup Protect My Bike. And the first place took a very great international team, and I like so much Alison, even more than Daniel and Dmitry, but please Daniel and Dmitry. Okay, Belfast took first place today.
We produce the best electric bikes in the world. The best because we are in the Guinness Book. We have established the world Guinness record by the largest distance covered by electric bicycle without pedals, 370 kilometers.